Good morning, troops. Just wanted to touch base again today and show you a recipe that I made that's posted in my newsletter. Homemade granola bars, much better than purchasing store brand or processed granola bars. This is what they look like when they're finished. And I put in all of these ingredients: chia seeds, which are good for your heart, lowering cholesterol and your intestinal health. And then flaxseed, again, good for your heart, good for your hair and your scalp, good for your brain, and also aids in the lowering of cholesterol. And it's just a combination of peanut butter, honey, vanilla, mixed together, and then you can add whatever you want to put in them. I put whole oats, I love cranberries, crushed peanuts, the chia and the flax. Mix it all together, press it into the containers that you'd like to use on parchment paper. Again, the recipe is on my website, Gold Patrol 77. And then I just put them in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit, cut them into squares, freeze them, and they last for 2-3 weeks. And they're very, very healthy and good. So remember, as always, whatever you do, give 110% every day. And make sure, most importantly, that you're kind to others and yourself. And have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.